Here I have MANTA Comet, and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Let's find and select the apps icon. Here you need to choose the settings, scroll down and choose the language and keyboard. Afterwards, select the select language option, and here we've got the list of all available languages that you can use on your device. So in my case, let me switch language from English to Spanish, so let's tap on Español, and right now you are using the Spanish version of your device. If you would like to go back to previous version, just find and select the apps icon. Here you need to choose the ajustes right here. Let's select right now idioma y teclado, tap seleccionar idioma, and here you need to choose English. So that's it. Right now you are using the English version. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.